こんにちは。Today's Tao Debate Set 得て卑しくすべからず You cannot debate it. Chapter 56 Tao is beyond human values. Therefore, you cannot ennoble it. You cannot debase it. Don't worship Tao. Don't worship yourself either. But at the same time, don't despise Tao. Don't despise yourself either. I have to make it clear that the word hologram is not a pejorative at all. Please don't say, the world is just a hologram, let's ignore it. Your precious self is part of your perfect holographic world, although your own self is not true you. Get it? Accept the world, but don't be attached to it. Accept your own self, but don't be attached to it. They are beautiful holograms, aren't they? Thank you. See you tomorrow for the next line of Tao Te Ching.